Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, airbags, front knee, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, multifunction display, child safety locks. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.